Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kim and this is our Bountiful Kitchen. Today I am making an alternative to green bean casserole. I'm not a big fan. I like something different. So what I'm going to do is show you what I make instead of green bean casserole. You see the ingredients here. This is really a very easy recipe. This is not for the faint of heart though. If you're on a diet, this is not for you. There's cheese, butter, a full sleeve of Ritz crackers, more butter. We have carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower. All right, let's get into it. I'm starting with the carrots. They take longer to steam, so let's just get into it. Our carrots take the longest to steam, so I have a pot going on the stove. Don't mind the mismatched combination. I've lost my spaghetti pot, and this is what I generally steam them in. So we're just going to take the vegetables over and put them in. And like I said, I get stuff everywhere. You might have noticed I put a drawer liner or a shelf liner underneath my cutting board so it doesn't move around. Next, we're going to do the cauliflower because the cauliflower is another one that takes longer to cook. I need to rinse these off, so I'm just putting them in a strainer to rinse them off. We're putting these off to the side for 3 or 4 minutes. We're going to check the carrots in about 2 to 3 minutes to see if they're becoming tender. Now we do the broccoli. I'll start by pulling them off. When I can't pull them off anymore, I just cut the stem. Another easy way to do it is just take your knife, run it along the top of the stem, and you get little florets. Okay, again, we need to rinse the broccoli, so I'm taking it over and rinsing the broccoli. Now we're going to check the carrots, see if they're tender. They're getting there. So we're going to put in our cauliflower. Cover the lid, and this will take approximately 3 to 4 minutes for the cauliflower and the carrots to get to the right tenderness. Our vegetables are steaming, so what I need to do now is prepare the topping. And I've taken a full sleeve of Ritz crackers, just the plain kind, and I'm just going to crush it up. All right, to this, I'm adding 1 full stick of butter, melted. I'm going to close the lid. And we're just going to move that butter around the crackers. So what you end up is with kind of like a globby mess. Now, this is the casserole dish that I have. I'm using this ungreased because we're going to put enough butter in here for the pan to be greased. And like I said, this dish is not for the faint of heart. We need to check our carrots and our cauliflower to see how they're doing. And they're perfect. So let's add our broccoli. This will steam for another 3 to 4 minutes. We want the broccoli tender. All right, we'll see you in a few. Okay, it's time to stop steaming our vegetables. What I plan on doing is just taking them out and letting them cool off for a minute. Now, this vegetable dish I've been doing for over 40 years. We absolutely love it. It's my most requested dish by my family for the holidays. This is what they want. All right, to our casserole pan, we're going to add all these vegetables. Ooh, it's a lot of steam. All right, so we start with our butter. This is 1 stick of cold butter, and we just pop it in, just randomly. The next thing we're going to add is 1 small block of Velveeta. Now we are going to use our topping, and we are going to top this with the Ritz cracker butter mix. I'm going to be using the microwave convection oven. So what I need to do is I need to turn it on bake, manual bake, which is that back arrow, select. I'm going to bake this at 350. Select, open up the magic door, start. And this is preheating, so it'll beep when it's ready. All right, our timer just went off on our preheating. I plan on taking out our top rack. We'll put this in. Before I close the door, I want to make sure I turn off the turntable. I want to make sure the casserole pan does not hit the glass. Push it in, start. Now this will cook for 20 to 30 minutes depending on how fast the cheese melts. In an oven, you want to do it on 350 for 30 to 45 minutes, depending on how fast your cheese melts. All right, we'll see you in a few. And there you have it, our alternative to that green bean casserole that everybody makes. I hope you enjoy this recipe and enjoy it throughout all the holidays. As always, thanks for watching. I appreciate you so much. Thank you again. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye.